Hey, this is Clint from CT Mad Mods, and this week we're pulling a transmission out of Kevin's rig. Time to do a clutch. Tell me about your clutch, Kevin.
That was a mistake. Don't ever get the ceramic race clutches unless you're just going fast in a straight line.
Yeah.
For wheeling, not the way.
So when you push this clutch pedal, it has like this boom boom kind of.
Zero engagement. Immediate engagement.
Yeah,
right?
immediate engagement. So it's just trashy. Whenever you push this clutch, it has like this pop pop, like you can feel it, but it immediately grabs, and it doesn't feel good at all. So we're just gonna put a stock clutch in it. It takes about 30 minutes to pull this transmission out, so we're gonna get it right now. All right, so we got that transmission out. Kevin's over there cleaning up the clutch that's about to go in here. Clean this flywheel up, cleaning up the new clutch. Kevin's getting a little sanding disc, and this sucker's going back in. Just so we're clear, I think in the grand scheme of things, this thing's gotten hot in a couple of spots. You should probably change it, but this is an off-road rig, so Kevin's not worried about it. I'm not worried about it. We just cleaned it up. We're gonna slap the new one in. Kevin said everybody's gonna ask you why we're not changing the flywheel. It's just a buggy, and we're actually using a used clutch off of another rig. So
That's the original clutch off this.
oh, okay.
That was in the fire, but it looked like a brand new clutch.
Yeah, we're just reusing old parts. Kevin bought this. It's like a racing clutch. That's what people on the forums suggested that he get whenever he did the 16V swap, and so he bought this new clutch, and he's never liked it. It's real, like, I could see in a racing situation how it just hooks up, and so it's probably good for that, but for
in a straight line go fast situation,
Right.
It would be great.
right.
But for what we use it for, it's horrible.
Yeah, so we're going back to the original OEM clutch, and just gonna clean up what's there, and we're gonna send it. Where'd you get all that rust from?
It's been sitting out at the property since we changed it.
Yeah.
But look, you can still see letters on it.
Heck yeah, we're gonna send it. Going back in.
Okay.
All right, we got the clutch in. About to throw this sucker back in there. All right, my side first. Step on the hole. Should be in. Put the big holes right here. Where what? Everything's on the lift arm.
The bracket?
Which bracket?
The cranny.
Oh, it's on the ground. Right there. Everything's on the lift arm. Cool. Oops, that hurt. A longer one. Well, you saw us do it. It took us about an hour to do that. I'm on my lunch break, so I ran over here. He said he had the shifter and a couple of things starting to get disconnected. We ripped that sucker out of there, put a new clutch in it, and threw it back in about an hour. So if you do as many as we do, I don't know. I wish I didn't know how to pull a transmission out of a Samurai.
In an hour.
Right. Anyways, hopefully that solved the problem. I'll come back after work and we'll finish filming here in a minute.
Oh,
Is it better?
yes, so much better.
Okay, good deal.
Yes.
Whew, all right.
Feels like it should.
All right, well, I know that was a short one, but we've got a ton of stuff to do. We got all these trackers. Check this out. That one needed an oil pump. That's his wife's, and we've done a ton of work to it. He's got a lift kit and a 1.6 liter 16 valve kit coming for that one. And then that one had all kinds of issues, and we needed to put a winch bumper and a winch on it. So we had to get all that junk out of here. So I can get my rig in here. I gotta pull the rear end out of it and see what's clicking in the rear end, and it's not the locker. And I gotta do bushings, and I got some other stuff that I need to do, but that's the pressing thing. So I can take it out and start four-wheeling. They've had a couple of rides going the last couple of weeks, and me and Kevin can't get out because we're working on everybody else's junk.
Thought probably work on our own.
Never forget to put the oil in it. All right, got oil in it. Kevin's putting the drive line in. It's ready to go. About to drop it down and give her a test. Kevin's doing the wrap up.
Final steps.
What's wrong? Huh?
Shifter.
Oh, you forgot to put the shifter in?
I didn't forget.
Can't drive without a shifter?
No. It was funny. I went to start it up and reached over. I'm like, oh yeah.
Okay, 2.0. We got the shifter in. So we're about to do a test drive. Let's take a little test drive. Cute. Do you like where it's coming off the floor?
It could be a little bit lower, but it's fine. I like that you can actually slip it like you're supposed to be able to. It's not like on, off.
Yeah, that was ridiculous. I've driven his Samurai before and had that clutch in here. It was just, it would go boom, boom, and then it would just hook up.
It doesn't do that anymore either.
That's good. We didn't know if it was in the cable or what, but it was definitely that clutch. You ready to rally this thing?
Getting closer.
We can throw a little bit of adjustment in that cable.
Yeah, it's pretty high up.
You want to be closer to the floor? Like, because I can loosen it.
It's actually fine.
Yeah, I felt you can kind of tell on the rod.
I think that's my front drive line hitting that
Probably.
cross member.
Yeah, you don't have oh yeah, you need to get that high clearance front drive line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or the drop down thing.
Right. I guess it's in full drive then.
Yeah.
Seems good to me.
Oh.
You happy?
Yes.
Let's see if you can make your hood fly up.
No. This was the stretch right here.
Yeah. Whoa! Well, I'm pretty sure it's fixed.
Yeah.
Hey, don't hit that lady. And by lady, I meant man. All right, I was supposed to be home 30 minutes ago. It's enough joyriding. All right, well, I guess that's a wrap. Thanks for watching my video.